There's just vultures on top of that one.
Some vultures.
Wooded vultures.
Wooded.
Wooded, I like.
Yeah, there's some vultures.
Guessing we're gonna find more where we go. Eh?
No, the roost here. That's why it's so much of the
There's food.
poo down there. Yeah. Okay. That's it.
And these guys are really important in our
Yes.
that nature does win, man.
That's right. That's right.
And yeah, welcome to our rehabilitation center.
Okay.
This is where we kept all the rescued animals.
Okay, these are the ones that rescued.
Rescued ones, yeah.
And where do you rescue them from? Just
yeah,
like
people with these baboons here, people
Yeah.
keep them as pet.
yeah, and
And
then
the Wildlife Act do not allow people to keep wild animals as pets. So what we
okay,
do is we take them from them and brought them over here
okay,
until they are physically fit to be back into the wild.
okay.
And
But
then we release them back.
in this while here,
Here they will go into the village, but what we do is we got other places. In
Okay,
the upcountry.
up country that you're okay.
Yeah, that's it.
Because these is a mystery.
park.
These are the mischievous ones.
And you got rangers out there who protect them as
So
well.
they
Yeah.
are.
These are the ones. Yeah.
You can go around. They love girls for some
Yeah.
reason.
Yeah, because
me and you are not a big fan.
that's right. Give me, mine a finger. Mine it
No, you're fine.
would it
Just
scratch you?
give it you can go in and
I haven't touched a monkey before. What's about the finger with a scratch?
No, they're fine.
So human-like.
They're fine.
Yeah.
Oi, you big boy.
Hey. Wow, he's a big boy, isn't he?
It's massive.
And these ones are called Guinea baboons.
Too greedy.
You got
Guinea
types of
baboons.
You got 5 types of baboons, and this one
Oi!
has been.
Yeah.
Oi, leave him alone. But yeah.
Okay. Okay.
And these ones will eat anything from like tubers,
From anyone.
slugs, yeah, like small mammals.
Yeah.
Bats and that, yeah. They will eat mammals like birds.
On this side. You never come in here before.
Okay.
And in captivity they live up
There's
to
one
like
there.
45 years in captivity. They're found in places like Gambia, Guinea,
Yeah.
Mali.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. You don't want it. You're not gonna get it if you don't come for it.
Yeah, he will come. He's just checking what's going on now. But
Eventually it'll come. Yeah. Peanuts. Yeah. One catch so much sense to me. Ah. Yeah. A bit. Yeah. Okay. Not getting no more.
nice. Be a nice mom.
Okay, so these ones like you said your rescues. These are the rescues.
ones,
Okay.
yeah, and for a week time, you will release them back into the wild.
Into the wild
Yeah.
as time goes on.
And yeah, people will keep them out, but at the end of the day, they got bigger and get out of control.
Right. So people,
they will be like they're so strong.
yeah,
They can beat you. If
they can
want.
beat you up.
In the wild, they will live in groups like 200 to
Yeah, no,
50
yeah,
in
yeah.
between.
So these keep us pets,
Yeah,
and then when they get bigger, they kind of like
yeah, exactly. Get control of them.
they just
and
let them
yeah,
loose.
let them.
Okay.
Sometimes we do also get information, and we make like photos
Okay.
and like this somewhere here that
Okay.
this guy with a monkey.
So
Alright,
so which one are these ones? Why is it?
It's a baboon. Yeah, you good? Come here.
Okay.
It's a baboon, but this one here is a monkey.
Okay.
And this is a patas monkey.
Right.
It's fat. It's like one of the fastest pyramids.
Fastest.
They can do up to like 50 to 55 miles per hour.
Yeah.
So they're really quick. They're like the fastest pyramids.
They go bigger than that.
Yeah. Yeah,
Okay.
they go bigger than that.
Okay.
Come here. Come here. Come on. Bobo, come here. Come here. Oi. Yeah, I know. Exactly.
What went to your foot?
Why did you do that? Yeah. They do. Yeah.
And that's a monkey there.
Yeah. Patas monkey.
That's,
You like give it to me.
that's greedy.
Give him one now while she's
Alright, I
eating that
will.
one.
I'm a distractible. Alright, come here.
Did you get it?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Don't get it.
Yeah, you come with me.
Yeah, give him that one now. Quick, quick, quick.
Alright.
Quick, eat it quick.
Come on, get it.
Hurry up.
Yeah. That's it.
This one.
Nice. Here. There you go. Now you can have it. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, they will hide it in their mouth, and
Yeah.
because he's been greedy now,
Yeah.
so he's trying
Yeah.
to lock it, and then he will just go somewhere and chill, and then start to bring it out.
Start to bring it out.
Yeah,
Can you see the lump there?
Yeah.
That's where.
Save it there.
yeah, he's just saving it. That's
Okay.
the pouch right there.
And then clever.
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't be shy. Here's one. Bit shy, don't you? No more. This big one just so.
No, it's too greedy. No, I'm not giving you. No, where's that little baby one? I'm not giving you. Don't be looking at me for my nuts. They're mine. Where's that little baby one? No, neither you, Bob.
Alright. Okay.
Like feed me. Yeah.
Little baby.
This one's are much nicer. You come to the top.
This one more tame, I give me.
Yeah. Definitely. They're just chilling, looking at you like, feed me.
Don't let him bully out.
It's fine. They will sort themselves out.
Hmm.
Oh, you might.
Come, let me take you a picture.
Hey.
You can just give that phone somewhere and just you can interact with them.
Hey, you eat them fast, did you?
These ones are nice. They will
Yeah.
go, just
Calm.
go.
Yeah, this one calm. Right.
Alright, let's go and find some hyenas.
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 They're your mates now.
Yeah. That was quick.
No, they're fine. It's really friendly.
Very friendly.
You want it? Come get it.